In the command prompt window, type the following tutorial: uninstall a problematic Windows update on Windows 10. Overview. If you encounter issues with a Windows update that conflicts with your system, you can uninstall it using the Windows Update Standalone Installer, wusa.exe. This command allows you to remove updates that might be causing problems, such as conflicts with device drivers or software. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Identify the update to uninstall. Before uninstalling an update, identify the specific update causing the problem. You can check the update history by going to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, View Update History. Note down the KB number of the problematic update, e.g. KB50130. 2. Open an elevated command prompt. Right-click on the Start button and select Windows Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin. Alternatively, you can press Windows key X and select Command Prompt Admin from the menu. 3. Run the wusa.exe command to uninstall the update. In the command prompt window, type the following command to uninstall the update and press Enter. Bash wusa.exe/uninstall KB number. Replace KB number with the actual KB number of the update you want to remove. For example, if the KB number is 5.0130, the command would be bash wusa.exe/uninstall KB 5.01330. 4. Confirm the uninstallation. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to uninstall the update. Windows will then proceed to remove the update from your system. 5. Restart your computer. After the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect properly. 6. Verify the update is uninstalled. After rebooting, you can verify the update has been removed by checking the update history again. Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, View Update History. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can quickly remove a problematic Windows update that conflicts with your system, ensuring your computer runs smoothly without any disruptions caused by the update.